do you meditate? Do you meditate every day? And what's your routine there, by the way? Yeah.
I meditate throughout the day.
Throughout the day, wow. Like 10 minutes
Throughout
here
the
and there?
day.
Okay.
Meditation for myself, the meditation that I teach is not to bliss and zen. I'm in bliss right now, speaking with you. Our meditations is a form of manifestation, a form of creation. Everything starts inside, right? We all know this. How then can we get into the void of no space, no time, nowhere, no one, and then we can start creating? So I'm creating throughout the day.
Beautiful.
But in that deep sense, the deep meditation is when I wake up, and then in the middle of the day, and then I get into theta when I'm talking to my subconscious. We're creating,
amazing.
right?
And how about, and you're probably doing it for a long time, right? Doing the meditation for quite some time, for many years. And
I have, but I have ways of hacking it. And so on my website are 3 meditations that I have created with a whole lot of NLP, some really badass binaural beats. We've designed the music, especially it's shamanic voice activation throughout.
Love it.
And it's all around the world. And people are like, oh my God, I've meditated before, and you've just juju'd me, and I have you in my ears every day, and I have you in my ears every night, and it's so exciting because it works. So to answer your question, Khoa, you don't need to have meditated 15 years. Just get these meditations and you get it fast. You get it fast.
Love it.